20 यार, 25 बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मार्को स्ट्राइकर्स वर्सेस रैंडम 11 वर्सेस मार्को स्ट्राइकर्स 25 ओवर गेम। ओके, परदेसी हेड इज द कॉल। इट इज हेड। जी भाईजान, टॉस जीत गए आप,
बैटिंग करेंगे
25 ओवर में। ठीक है जी, बेस्ट ऑफ लक। ट्राई अगेन। अस्सलामुअलैकुम भजन, क्या हाल है भजन? टॉस क्यों हरवाया आपने भजन?
बस किस्मत, लक।
कप्तान ने आपको भेजा था, आप तो एक एक्सपर्ट थे टॉस जितवाने के, आप तो लगातार
आपको
टॉस।
ये ना आज की एक बात क्लियर कर दूं, आज मैं कप्तान ही हूं, आज भाई हमारे सीनियर हैं।
अच्छा,
तो आज
सही
भाई
है।
कप्तान है।
ये परदेसी भाई कप्तान है। अच्छा। तो टॉस आप आज हार चुके हैं, तो आपको परदेसी भाई कितना लग रहा है आप 25 में स्कोर जो है अच्छा जो है हम चेस कर सकें?
200 तक रोकेंगे इंशाल्लाह उनको।
पिच भी जो है ना बहुत ही प्यारी पिच है बैटिंग के लिए, बहुत ही जालिम विकेट है।
पिच काफ़ी अच्छी है,
भी हम
लेकिन
देखेंगे
बॉलिंग हमारी
हार्ड पिच लगे भजन। तो 200 तक भाई कह रहे हैं कि मतलब टारगेट बन सकता है, मतलब
लाइन हमारी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
तो इंशाल्लाह ट्राई अगेन। अब अगली बार हम टॉस जीतेंगे, बैटिंग भी खुद करेंगे। वैसे पिच बहुत प्यारी थी टॉस के लिए ना, बैटिंग के लिए बहुत प्यारी पिच थी। फुल टॉस 6 the best is win 6 runs is win is the game is over। कितना स्कोर हो गया वो? 4 runs। A lot of chant is going on। What a shot that is, just above boundary, 4 runs, just about dropping for 4। This man is, I'm not happy with this man। 16 से भी कम। Declared for the good of the team, Shoaib। Declared the batsman। Lefty player Moss। लास्ट बॉल है ओए, और हो गया लास्ट बॉल है ओए, वो लास्ट बॉल है। आज यार दो यार, चलो 100 not out Moss century। what a good 100। he will raise the bat to the gallery। 100 runs not out Moss। and this man that's the end of the game। कोई हैंडशेक नहीं हो रहे, जा रहे हैं।
इंडियन टीम है यार, मोटे में बैठी है, इंडियन टीम है, हैंडशेक नहीं करती।
आप पे मुझे बहुत गुस्सा है। क्यों? अगले मैच में काफी प्रेशर बहुत डाला है। और ये भाई भी मेरा मिला हुआ था आपके साथ,
कोई फायदा नहीं।
मैंने कहा ये भी मिला हुआ था साथ, ये भी मिला हुआ था, इस वजह से मैं आउट हुआ।
ये ले, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ।
वो डेटिंग यार बता भैया, आपने अगर किया for the first delivery, another shot, another pickup। Six runs, four runs, 56 required on 7 hours with 4 wickets remaining. Wide. 4 runs, 4 overs. 132 for 6.
तेरे साथ जाती की आजा
Shave declared.
तेरा छक्का रोक दिया इन्होंने
4 deliveries and now.
2 बॉलें रहती है 2
4 runs as a 4. Boundary. Welcome boundary.
इम्तियाज बालें कितनी हुई है डबल है
They drop the catch.
भागो
In a 3 runs. He will take the strike again. Hafiz is waiting for his batting. It's a 4 runs. By Waqas. 38 required of 36. Ghani is brought back after being hammered by Abid in the first couple of overs. He was hammered brutally. Tyrannically, he was hammered by that man. It took him at least 19 overs to come back because of that power hitting by the opener. 22 runs required of 5. Only wicket is the option. If they pick up couple of wicket, still they can come back in the game if they pick up wicket. No other ways for them to come back.
वाइट बॉल
Thorough examination of this Ghani young bowler is underway. He has given him suggestion that he is using his feet that drag the ball a little bit backward.
शाबाश शाबाश दो बनाओ
2 runs. Good running. Reality test for the young bowler. Because Shoaib will go big. He will go big. Fielder behind it. Playing for a couple of overs, it will be over for the bowling side. Because run coming fast. Experienced bowler is back. They have given him an idea that go for slow one. And he has burned the carpet this time, Shoaib. Fielder though will cut it off. This bowler picked up a couple of wickets in this last game. He was on hat-trick. Fast bowler is still 6 runs, 4 runs, 6 have to see. But 6 runs.
आज 56 चाहिए मुझे 7 ओवर में 56 7 आज 8 के ओवर चाहिए 8 के ओवर चाहिए 8 की शबा
Free delivery.
1 2 आपने सिंगल लिया था
एक चौका मारा
4 बालें हुई 4
4 delivery for Ghani. He smashed that 4 runs. That's a boundary.
आकाश पे डाल आकाश वापस आ जाए ये रहा बॉलर वापस डाल
4 deliveries. Again the side change. Six runs. It's a six. What a shot that was. मुझे क्या छेड़ रहा था उसने, और तुझे भी आते ही साथ यही कहा. 4 runs. Fielder behind it. This young fellow has a very terrible memory of the 80s. Straight down the ground. 4 runs. No need to run for that one. That's a straight drive, it's a test match drive. Three deliveries and that will be a matchup. Shoaib how to face that bowler, which he was suggesting top order batsman the way to play.
White ball.
16 boundaries. No need to run for that. What a run fetch by the captain Sohaib. Fielder behind it. Waqas, very fashionable player. Numbers 008 and very fashionable in taking guard. Very hard hitter batsman.
White ball.
He will be under a lot of pressure because of that hitting. That was genuinely fast hitting. That was brutal hitting. Run rate was above 16 in the first 4 overs. 58 for 1 it was exactly. At 4 runs, 15 boundaries for the captain. 15 boundaries for the captain and still not reaches 50. I wonder why. I think he's above 60 runs. He has scored with boundaries. Top class batting. And now he celebrate. कईयों की ऐसी किस्मत खराब है कि बोल्ड हो रहे हैं. Bold. 5th one. 4th batsman bold.
वकास भाई आ जाओ.
The commentator.
वकास भाई.
5th batsman bold. 16 over gone. 170 for 5.
16 over 170. इजी हो गया.
कितना हो गया? 16
over 170.
70.
Six wicket. 6 men down. Captain is down.
आखिरी बाल लास्ट है. आजा फैसल अपना उदास आजा. Oh.
4 runs. $150 for 4 partnership. Now we need 86 runs.
लगता है गैरत में आ गया तू आज.
66 deliveries. We need 86. That means below 8 runs per hour required. Easy run chase. Yes! 17. No, it's just drop the catch. Simple one.
White ball.
It's a
भाई बोल.
White ball. 65 required of 54 deliveries. 6 wickets have already down. Wickets are the problem. Run rate is keeping. Plenty of runs already scored.
मैंने बंद कर दी थी
थोड़ा
मैंने।
सा आप इस तरफ रहे हैं वकास भाई, थोड़ा इससे विकेट से उतर के रहे पिच से, बस थोड़ा सा बस इधर रहे, ठीक है। Two dot ball by Shoaib. 52 delivery, 65 runs required. He's left. Oh, it's end of the over. What a shame. Why he left it? 5 wickets are down now. Shoaib is on. This.
अनस भाई यार ये स्कोर बताना, 15 का स्कोर मैच करना।
White ball. White ball.
और हो गया।
दूसरी शॉट है, you make position 4 runs, no need to run for that one. What a partnership that is. Single. 11th over. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. These are crucial runs. Partnership is building. 161 for 5 after 15 hours.
मैक मलक। हाँ वाइट बॉल है, मैक मलक की वाइट बॉल। वाइट बॉल डालता और चला जाता। कौन जाने?
Temperature dropped to 12. Over the top. They are in business. They drop this again.
आज बचे हमारा कांटा हवा में है।
A lot of catch.
इम्तियाज
Lot of easy
हमारा
chances.
कांटा आज।
Yasin, there you go. Over the top.
टीम पे लगाएंगे कोई ना कोई।
What a shot that is. Over the top. 4 runs. Good fielding. He saved a certain boundary. Boundary shot जरूर है.
वाइट बॉल। ये होके तो ये खेल रहे हैं और तू 50 साल का बूढ़ा होके नहीं खेल सका। शर्म आनी चाहिए तुझे।
Fantastic partnership is developing.
इनसे खारत पकड़ इनसे।
Fantastic partnership. Over the top. 4 runs. No one is having answer to these young boys. Such a nice partnership is developing. He's happy.
इनसे खारत
Both
पकड़ तू। मोटे
13 boundaries. It will be 13 boundaries. I know him already. But good fielding.
ये छक्का होना चाहिए।
Captain goes big. He goes big. 4 runs, 4 चौका चौका. Boundary से बाहर है यार.
होता मैं। हाय यार चढ़ा।
But over the top. Fielder is behind it.
ये रुक गया।
2 dot balls and 2 boundaries so far in this over.
इम्तियाज
4 runs. It's a 4.
ठीक है, चौका है चौका। कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, अक्सर होता है इंसान के साथ।
Now 9 boundaries without a 6. 9 boundaries, 9 fours. And this is the 10th one, I think. It's a 4. 10 boundaries for the captain. It's a run fest for the captain.
भागो भाग मुन्ना भाग भाग मुन्ना भाग तू क्या कर रहे हो ओए स्कोर तो बना तू देख रहा है बाल के
ओए यार अंपायर चेंज करो
Invitation given. Easy invitation drop.
ओए दानी दानी
Didn't even
ओए दानी
attempt that
इसको
simple
बिठाओ
chance.
उधर
This man Ghazi.
ये स्कोर भी नहीं बना रहा है और भाग भी नहीं रहा
There's
इसको
no
बिठाओ
one to
उधर
blame at. Nobody to blame because it was easy catch. Don't even came underneath it. Jafar. I know in this man will get a wicket or two in this over. 4 runs. 7th boundary for the captain. Last ball of the 10th. Good delivery by Jafar. It's a 12th boundary. No need to run. 12 boundaries. Use the pace. And it will be a 50.
नहीं 1 to go
I know he got to his 50, but still 5 boundaries on last 5 balls. 6 runs, first 6 of the
इम्तियाज
inning.
इम्तियाज
Captain Sohaib has hit a 6. 8 boundaries and a 6. 38 runs of boundaries so far, and I think he's close to his 50. I think he will be 50 after a couple of boundaries. Yasin and the captain Sohaib. Big task for them.
देखते यो जालिमा
Anyhow,
ओए
Very
तेरी
safe
कौन सी
from
दुश्मनी है मेरे साथ
what a shot! 4 runs, 4 runs. Yes. 6th boundary for the
यार
captain.
गुड प्ले
Captain goes big. Is in
ओए
business.
शाबाश शाबाश 3-3 बना
He has
3-3
no intention
ओ
to
भाग
hit the top.
ओ भाग मुन्ना भाग
That's a welcome boundary for the captain. He's dealing in boundaries
Over,
today.
over.
4 boundaries for him. 6 runs. I think that's 6. The moment they hit, it's a 6 by the captain.
मुझे तो आउट कराया मैं देखता हूँ अब मैच विन करके बाहर आना है हाँ
Isn't a good
ये
thing.
ध्यान में
4
रखना
boundaries for the captain, and the captain needs business. He needs to score at least
ये पहले वाइट के ऊपर वो निशान
80 or 100 run knock to finish.
वाइट को
to
नजर
chase
नहीं
this
आती है
total
यहाँ से
down.
बिल्कुल
And he had got the potential because he hit already 4 boundaries.
ओ जालिमा ओ उधर भी
3 dot balls on target. Another dot. Yasin. Good shot. Down the track, 4 runs. It's a welcome boundary for the young man. It's a no ball. That's a no ball. Goodness me. A free hit. Out? No, not out. Not out. Free hit. Goodness me. This is all happening there. Goodness. All about handling the pressure. It's in the air. And it's gone for 6. That's a fabulous strike. One man show so far from Abid. Kashif to ball the last over of the power play. He'll be balling to Manan. Oh, got him. That's the failure. And that's what you need. Kashif
a down slow ball and costly to go at it, to stretch on the leg side, result in a wicket on the leg stump. That's another wicket down, 3 wickets down inside the power play. They are on top of the game, Rangers 11. That's a beautiful ball. Really building up the wicket. A 2 dot balls in the over, including some extra. SN. Anas to ball, the power play, fielding lifted. Yasin. Wide ball. Last ball of the ninth. No run is a good delivery to end the change of the angle from the bowler. It's another wide. So wide. Out. Low. Goodness me. Pressure. High caliber. You can see the grip of the bowler. Kashif. Good fielding. Just one. Is off the mark. 86. Score have dropped. First time I have dropped below 10. 86 for 4 after 9 overs. Yasin. Important assignment with the captain. Captain is 2 not out. Jafar, here you go. Spin in action. Third run for the captain. Even though the fielder behind it. That's a beautiful ball. Plumb LBW. But it's not decided to have LBW in this match. That's why he survived. Anas to ball. The 9th over. That's appeal. And he says, I got you, man, on the first ball. Luckily, it's not there in the match, mate. But he's under pressure. A quick ball. And never they to pull that. And they find the gap. Chance of a run out. Chance of a run out. Out. And out. Out, he says. Goodness me. That's the disaster. Goodness gracious me. That's all happening. Never wasted a time. It's a very, very good throw from the fielder in the deep. And the wicketkeeper does the rest. Wicketkeeper does the rest. And the major wicket down. So the match goes. And they are under pressure. Oh, beautiful ball. Beautifully balled. Outside, just outside the channel of batsman. That's the zone of the another dot. Sohaib, captain. Shot. Fielder down there. Very quick action. Captain is taking guard. Sohaib. Action pack match. Quick wickets and quick runs. A lot of action in these 9 hours. Captain himself will be off the mark. It's a decisive time for the captain to play on winning knock. In the air, and drop. Second chance is down. Yes, second as a no ball. Goodness me.
No ball,
That is a no ball. That's a free hit. 92 for 4, 10th over. He want to be hit. He needed treatment and he does. Captain got first boundary. That's a very nicely played. Good bowling by Anas.
Yasin and Captain Suhaib, they need a partnership. Run rate, no problem. Already they have above 14-15 run per hour.
Crack that away over the fielder for 4. That is really good shot from Abid. He liked the opportunity and has been going over mid off. Anything you want. He's earning another boundary. Last ball of the 5th over. Quick ball, an appeal and a dot ball to finish the 5th. A successful over from the bowling point of view. And picks up a wicket of Raheel in this over. Nakash 5 हुए 5 60 से ऊपर है 5 हो गए यार SN the bowler, third bowler used in the defending effort from the randoms 11. That's wide. Too many wides out there. Just in the starter.
Crucial partnership needed. 4 wickets already down. Second run for the captain.
That is a wonderful shot. What timing! Straight to the hit the motorcycle and is away for 4 to finish off the over. That really hurt the bowler because just start of the over he dropped that batsman in the circle and is conceding 2 boundaries including a 6 of maximum.
Straight down the road. 4 more. No, this time fielding. Have protection.
तुझे खुली इजाजत है भजन खुली उस पे वो बॉल बस आसरा ख्याल करते हुए बोलना है सही है देखते हैं कितना प्रेशर हैंडल करते हैं middle of the bat and midfield and off the mark first time in the match after playing too many under pressure at number 3 change of the bat. His partner says that's timely shot. You can see there. Very good effort. 2 wickets for Nakash with the new ball. And he's bowling really well. Supported by his team members. Very well. Another 4. Just short the fence. Really taking it on. Really hammering the young bowler here. 65 for 2 after 6. Chasing 236 in 25 overs. And he gets a lifeline, a ball a go. And whoever dropped it, he is the man. But he's got a wonderful opportunity to pick up his wicket on his own. Hassan. That's a good ball. Really good ball into the thigh. Changing the bowling inside 3 overs. He's up against man in the pressure. Raheel. That's wide. That's a wide. That's a dot ball. Really is a good ball. 63 for 2 after 5, chasing 236 in 25 overs. This is start of the 6th over. That's a beautiful ball. Beautiful carry. 2 wickets down and 2 balls left of the 5th over. Only That's a beautiful shot. What is timing and everything. And it's another 4. Another dot. That is another dot. That's a good ball. Really is a good ball. He's a clever bowler, I can tell you. He played a little hand with the bat today, but he failed eventually. But with the new ball, he's been spot on sometime. 58 for 1 after 4 overs, chasing 236 runs in 25 overs today.
पीछे जाओ ना भाई, पीछे जाओ, अपना बिल्कुल बैठ जाओ ना.
Successful bowler to bowl 5th over and his 3rd over in his quota. बोल के too many pressure inserted. That's gone in. Can you believe that? It works straight onto the stumps, and the second wicket for Nakash. Failure yet another time, and the second wicket down. Raheel goes 58 for 2, 5th over, chasing 236. Man, after 5 years it takes to put himself in the ground. Manan at number 4, about to take the guard. Manan, MANN. ये ठीक खेलेगा इंशाल्लाह. वैसे another over. He's not there to pull that. A chance to run out. It's misfield. It's easy too, but they set up for 1. Stopped by his batting partner there. And his team members come up and some of the advice has almost dragged on to the stumps. It's a very good wicket, but sometimes it's getting tricky. And put you under pressure. Some of beautiful scenes are there. That shot. This time it's fielded, and it's fielded well. अब देखो भजन इधर असल व्यू भजन. Too many advice into that play. You can see another 4. This guy dealing in boundaries. Tell you what, isn't I tell you what? And clear intent. That's sort of intent. Straight away changes his bat. He's not really happy. Crack that away over the fielder for 4. That is a really good shot from Abid. He liked the opportunity and has been going over mid-off. Anything you want. He's earning another boundary. Kashif, the new bowler, to bowl the 6th over. He's bowled a very good first ball straight away to the right-hander Manan, who is under a bit of pressure. He likes to play a drive on the up and some pressure, and he says Babar Azam arrived there. Shows his partner at this point, inserted a bit of pressure in their advantage. It's in the air. Who wants it? Whoever wants it. Goodness me. You're not the man you want to drop it, man. 3 fielders converging and a drop a dolly into the infield. And a big prize for this wicket. All of a sudden they realize that's gonna be bad as the day goes on and the match goes on. The very prize wicket, and they plucks it and it's down. Not the man you wanna drop it, but they drop in the end. SN the bowler, 3rd bowler used in the defending effort from the randoms 11. That's wide. Too many wides out there. Just in the starter. Says appreciation from the man of mid-off. He says, hold up your mate. While I'm bowling, it's a beautiful ball. It's a big appeal. It's a big appeal. Bowler doesn't know either. All the team members went off stairs, but the bowler pretty late on that. Still there, maybe asked from his umpire partner whether it was a feather or not. And he says, what are you doing, mate? Straight away, shake of the head.
आउट होता है प्रॉपर मैच खेलो अगर खेलना है तो
Still I give it you out, maybe. Not gonna happen. It's not out. It's not out in the end. Last ball of the 5th over. Quick ball, an appeal, and a dot ball to finish the 5th. A successful over from the bowling point of view. And picks up a wicket of Raheel in this over. Prakash. 5 हुए 5. 60 से ऊपर है. 5 हो गए यार. He's about to face his first ball. Just inside of the line of the play. It's a very, very dangerous bowling to newcomer. Ever played at Carriage Factory ground, Islamabad. Maybe his first time today here. He played a lot of cricket in G9 ground 5 years ago, he says. Getting a wonderful chance today. Oh, beautiful shot. Certainly saved the boundary by the fielder at point. Is off the mark. And is off the mark. अंपायर को बता के जाया कर. दूसरा बॉलर गनी था. It's a bum ball. The umpire says it's not out. 58 for 1 after 4 overs. Out. Oh no, he's dropped over the first slip for 4. He's dealing with boundaries. He really needs boundaries. taking that as young bowler. He's not gonna forgive him. He's not gonna forgive him either. Really taking the charge on the young bowler. He doesn't care about anything happened in the first over. He doesn't know anything. He hit you for 4 anywhere you want. Just give him a bit of width outside the off stump and ready for you smash to the boundary. A dot ball. That is a good shot and just shot the fence for 4. That's a really good entertainment. और गार्ड लेते हुए ऑफ स्टंप मिडिल का ये नहीं है. फर्स्ट बॉल a dot 1.
White.
Another white. Out or drop. Cat drop. और साथ ही सिंगल भी आया. एक बॉल पर 3 हो गया. कैट ड्रॉप के साथ सिंगल. इस वक्त काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम मिला था कैच पकड़ने के लिए और काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम में भी आखिर में जाकर, क्योंकि बॉल नया था शायद इसलिए ड्रॉप कर दिया. हाथ से लग के स्लिप हो गया बॉल. बहुत टाइम था बॉल को कवर करके पकड़ने का, मगर चांस मिला आबिद को, पहला चांस. वेयर इज़ दैट गॉन? इट्स गॉन वे बैक. और ये भाई हैं जिन्होंने आज बहुत मारा है, आज बहुत फोड़ा है इन्होंने आज. आखिरी 6 ओवर में 73 मारा है इन्होंने. एक और वाइड मर्जी खड़ जाए. Another 4. It's 4.
यासीन
That's a brave shot.
ओ यासीन बैक नहीं बनता.
It's wide and 4 runs.
पंजाब
5 runs. काफ़ी अच्छा मौका है इम्तियाज़ के पास आज अपने आप को साबित करें. और बोल्ड कर दिया. इस वक्त उड़ाते हुए विकेट जो है 2 बॉलें 4 स्कोर और पहली विकेट इस वक्त हासिल की है. स्विंग नज़र आया है देखने में और कारी साहब ने आउट कर दिया. कारी नकाश ने जो है बोल्ड किया है. NAQASH 32 for 1 after 2 overs, chasing 236 in 25. He's right. Yes, he's right. What he's talking about. Another wide. और ये भाई कहते हुए राहिल को कि स्टीव स्मिथ आया है. स्टीव स्मिथ और काफ़ी ज़्यादा दबाव बनाते हुए राहिल पर इस वक्त. Oh, beautifully ball. That is excellently ball. Beautiful ball. Outside the off stump just. 236 का टारगेट है 25 ओवर्स में. आबिद और इम्तियाज़ सामना करते हुए पहला ओवर खेलते हुए.
2 बॉलें हुई है अभी तक.
2 बॉलें 4 स्कोर. 236 का टारगेट है. राहील 1 डाउन पोजीशन पर. इस वक्त देख सकते हैं फील्डिंग आप बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज फील्डिंग सेटिंग. और वाइड बॉल 2 बॉलें 5. ब्यूटीफुली बॉल्ड. दैट इज ब्यूटीफुली बॉल्ड.
बहुत वाला बॉल.
नहीं खेला यार. That's wide and 4. 5 runs without ball.
बस
इम्तियाज़ अपना पहला बॉल खेलते हुए. वाइड बॉल. और ये देख सकते हैं फील्डिंग बहुत ज़्यादा करीब कर दी गई है. अटैकिंग फील्डिंग सेटअप. ये सर्कल में फील्डर. 2 बॉलें 5, 1 आउट. एक और वाइड. 2 बॉलें 6. वन डाउन पोजीशन पर राहील आते हुए इस वक्त, ये देख सकते हैं आप। काफ़ी ज़्यादा दबाव, 2 बॉलों 4 स्कोर, 1 आउट। चेक करवा के 5 नहीं हुए, पूछना। That is beautifully ball. One beautifully balled. और इसको अच्छी बॉल निकाली है और वाइड दे दी अंपायर ने। वाइड से खाता खुल गया है इस वक्त। Another 4. So 3 boundaries on 3 balls, including a 5 wide and a wide. He's taking the attack on the young bowler. Very good ball. सही ग्लब है, ग्लब से रोना नहीं है। And it's beautifully balled. And he says he's afraid of getting out. He says the skipper of the vice captain, in fact, of the random 11. वो नहीं, उसने वैसे स्वेप कह रहा था, नहीं रखा हुआ। अच्छा रखा हुआ LBW। That's white. 32 runs without 32 for 1 after 2 overs. जी भजन क्या हाल है? ये क्यों फोड़ रहे हैं भजन? आप विकेट गिरी, आपको आसरा ही नहीं कर रहे, आप भजन शुरू हो गए आप तो आज।
सर हमारी बैटिंग ही सही वैसी है, बस क्या करें।
तो टारगेट ज्यादा है, क्या है वजह?
टारगेट भी ज्यादा है, ये बात नहीं है। 25 ओवर में 200, हमने 30 रन चेस करने हैं।
हाथ
तो उस हिसाब से हमने खेलना भी पड़ेगा हमें।
तो हाथ भी गर्म किया आपने सही यार उस पे, 5 चौके।
बैटिंग ही कुछ ऐसी है।
क्लोज हो जा, थोड़ा क्लोज। चार द ग्राउंड, another 4. It's a big over, big over. 2 overs gone. बल्ला चेंज कर ले। End of the over, change of the gloves. He says I'm not feeling comfortable.
मैंने पिछली एतवार उन्हीं ग्लव्स से खेला ना यार।
बेहतरीन ग्लव्स हैं कपड़े के। Oh, it's too much worry about the anything. He's not used to up on the order. He's kind of stuck of either front or back foot, whatever it takes. That's a genuine right arm quickie. That's a beautiful shot, and just short of the fence for 4. First ball, taking the pressure off.